All right, it is Thursday morning. I'm at Wild at Heart. Sorry, I'm making the phone fly everywhere. Turns out that Missy has grandbaby duties or grandmama duties with the grandbaby, so that just call that grand duties. So she's elsewhere. Um, she has brought me some patients to work with. I'm looking here at about 6 Tortoises that need some work and maybe some other stuff, but she hasn't taught us what that is yet. Anyway, I am here early and there's some rain coming and I'm on a motorcycle, so I've just decided to solo it this afternoon and have a good time anyway. For the Terrapin Carolina, this is a female. The message says on here 5301, looks like Quinine Avenue, Central Mississippi Turtle Rescue, Gulfport, number 57, left rear leg. Okay. Let's see what's up with this left rear leg. Hold on. Come on, let me in there. Nope, gonna have to use your legs. Right leg is working. You can't see this. Looks like this guy was a chew toy. There's actually a sequestrum here I'm about to pop off, but it's not quite ready yet. Although you cannot see this. Looks like this guy's going to need some amputation. The bad news is Mother Nature's not decided what tissue is going to stay or go. So we'll keep on antibiotics for a little bit longer. I know. Get mad at me. Cuss me out. But without us, she would be dead.